Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to be taste testing a Gary mango. This is not one that we grew; it was sent to us, but we're going to give it a try. We bought it, but mail came through the mail, so it means that it was probably picked earlier than was ideal. We've been allowing it to ripen, and it's starting to get a little soft, so we're going to go ahead and try it.
If we think we ate one by mistake, we got two in the mail.
Yeah, well, the ones we came in the mail, we labeled as with a G for Gary, but our Glen we also label with a G, and they're also they don't really look a whole lot alike. But if you had a small Glen, it might sort of. So we think we ate one.
Yeah, because I think we had a Glen the other day, and I was like, that's like a little more coconutty than Glen
Yeah,
is.
I kind of remember that too, but I don't remember coconutty. But I remember it didn't taste like a Glen.
That's a strong smelling. Smell it from here. Smell it?
Almost smells like a good suntan lotion kind of a smell almost.
Oh, it
like
does. Yeah.
Or maybe a
very
tropical drink. It's got a very strong flavor.
Definitely coconut.
Tastes slightly underripe, maybe.
Oh, I think it's overripe.
Oh, you think so? Well, could be. The texture says overripe. I think I just got a tart bite on that one. Yeah, I think you're right. It's more overripe than under, but
I like it.
It does have some of that, a little bit of that funky, musky flavor to it.
To me, they're not in a bad way.
Yeah, it's not too strong. Yeah.
It's just like it's super strong.
It is. It's got a very strong. To me, it tastes musky, but again, not in a strong musky bad way. It's very sweet. It's very smooth. There's no fiber. It's
intense.
It does taste very tropical. More to me pineapple than coconut, but certainly could have some of both.
You get pineapple, coconut, citrus.
But I mean, it tastes like a punch, like a very strong tropical punch type flavor. But it also does have that muskiness, which that tongue numbing kind of feel for me.
The creamy ones are really good. I feel like if we'd gotten a date earlier, we would have enjoyed it more.
But my tongue and the roof of my mouth now feel kind of numb.
Oh no,
not strong, but there are. I don't know what compound it is in mangoes that do that to me, but.
But I usually don't get it with you.
No, well, you do later, and then. But let's try some of this near the seed.
You should taste your skin, because I think that's the part that was really good. There was some you got that had the skin edge on it. I think that was good.
It's sweeter. It's very sweet right near the skin. It's good. It tastes like a tropical punch to me.
It's really good.
I don't know what to say about that funkiness. It's hard to say that a funkiness would ever be a good thing. I guess that it's not that strong to where, and it could also be just that it's a little overripe.
Yeah.
Waited a day too long.
Or two.
Could be two, yeah. But it's good. I can see how this would be a parent of coconut cream. I can some of that.
If it was bigger, both the ones we got were small. I don't know if they're always a really small mango or not. There's this one where if like we went to Fruit and Spice Park and there were a bunch on the ground, I can picture setting up camp and just eating a bunch.
Yeah.
Like we always go to the lemon ring tree when we're there. I don't know if they have a Gary tree or not. I don't remember ever eating one there.
One. But anyway, yeah, that's a good mango. I mean, it's tropical is the best way I can think to describe that. That it's
little reminiscent
very,
of like the flavors in Sugarloaf to me.
well, and again, it may
But
be
it's
apparent.
strong.
It may have. I kind of remember, like you were saying, that Gary being in as the parent of a lot of the newer varieties. Edward was also, but it's good. It's good. It's very tropical and tastes like a tropical punch.
For the flavor, I think the flavor is probably like 9 or above if we had gotten it on the perfect day. But even like it is now, I would still give it a 9. I could eat like 8 more of those easily right now.
I would rather have a lemon meringue still.
You know, this year, I like the coconutty ones more. Like when
You
we have the
always like
lemon,
the coconutty ones more.
but like even more than I usually like them. Like the lemon meringues are kind of like dropping down for me personally, which works out great for you.
Well, you don't have to eat them.
I know that works out great, and you and Brooke both really like.
Yeah,
the
well, I like a
citrusy
sweeter
ones.
mango, and I like a sweet one, and I like a spicy one. The tropical ones for me, the coconuts and the pineapples and the citrusy ones, other than lemon meringue. Not quite as much. I mean, I like them, of course, but there's no mango I really don't like. Well, we've had a few things.
You can't say that.
Yeah, but
No, this was excellent. If it was a bigger
yeah,
mango,
for me, it's more of an 8. But
yeah.
again, if we got it a day or two earlier, larger mango maybe, it would rate a little higher, but still very good. So, all right, well there you have it. If you've had experience with Gary or have any comments about it, we'd love to hear about it. So just let us know. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.